Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we're taking a look at a repair we did on this Falk 211 model. This is a Falk 2110Y1-LS parallel shaft gear drive, the engine powering critical operations across heavy industry, especially in the oil and gas sector. The engineers at Falk designed these units to last, but after decades of continuous operation, components still experience wear. When this industrial powerhouse fails, SpecialtyGearDrives.com is the specialist you call. Our repair process begins with a complete teardown. We separate the rugged split seal housing and clean every single component. We inspect the helical gearing, shafts, and bearing journals to find the true root cause of failure. We correct issues like housing bore wear and misalignment before beginning the rebuild. Our expertise ensures every new bearing, seal, and component is installed with precision. Need a replacement gear? Our manufacturing division reverse engineers and fabricates new gears in-house, ensuring that the hardness specifications matches the original Falk design, keeping your drive authentic and strong. The result is a total restoration, a gearbox that looks and performs like new. We back the quality with a 24-month warranty and offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. Get your essential equipment serviced by the experts at SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Call or visit today. SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.